Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for another, well, it's not a tutorial, but I'm sharing with you some new die cuts that I just received. I'm really excited about it and I wanted to share it with you. So again, before we continue, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to click on that bell so that you will not miss any random videos or any future videos that I may be posting. Let us go ahead and begin. These are some new die cuts that I received. I ordered from a website called Wish. It's an app, and you could always check it out if you're interested in doing card making and you want to get your materials. Yeah, that is definitely a place that you could order from. It takes a little while to get to you, I guess, depending on where you do live or reside, but all in all, if you want something right away, I would not recommend using Wish, but if you don't mind waiting maybe about 3 weeks or so, or a month, if so much, then by all means go ahead and use Wish. Of course, I have used it, so I can definitely provide you information based on experience. So to begin, I just received this here. This is just a cluster of hearts, really nice set here. And I did use my Cuttlebug, my Cricut Cuttlebug manual embossing and die cutting machine, and this is how it came out. Now I have not poked out all the pieces so that you can see the negative spacing, but you could see what it looks like if I punched out everything. It's really nice. I really like the quality of the die cut. It is very crisp. It doesn't, it really looks really nice, to be honest. I will also include the price on the bottom as well, so that if you're interested, they may have discounts when you go on, but at least this is an option that you can have. So that's the hearts. The second one I have is a men's, I forgot the name of it, what goes underneath the jacket. Okay, so I was just putting it together. So it's a really nice, neat little outfit, that you could use to as decoration as well. I just did a basic blue color so that you could just see it is very crisp with the cut, like I mentioned. Everything is pretty decent. I do like the quality of what comes out, so it's entirely up to you. But also you could also put some sort of lining in the back here, inside the jacket. Is up to you, but for the most part, I do like the jacket on that. Now I also got some fishes because I have die cuts that are tropical die cuts, from fishing net to other fishes, but I found the fishes on those were so small that I couldn't work with the other die cut, so I decided to try those out. Now what I can tell you for sure is that the fishes, you could cut those out on single cardstock layers. I was just trying it on a double, like I stuck two pieces of um oh dear, forgot the name already, of cardstock together, so it was kind of thick. So for some it didn't really go all the way through, but for the most part the fishes again came out very crisp. I cannot complain. It's really nice. I do like the results. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you're looking for tropical fishes. And again, I didn't poke out all the little um, pieces in there, but at least you got, with this one you can see, I was just trying it out so I could show you guys. So that is very good. Then the last one I had is a set of let me see, 4 banners which I bought together, and again I cut out each one, as you can see. So these are really nice. They are crisp. I love this gold one. I kind of like the gold anyway. um, and I just got them about out of anything. It wasn't for any reason. It was just to show you how they come out. Very crisp. and this is the last one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate you taking the time to join me today. So do have a wonderful rest of your day and have a safe week. And I will post additional information on the bottom so that you can review from the Wish app that I mentioned. Thank you so much for your patience. See you next week. Bye-bye.